Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Aparna Digde, working as an assistant professor at J.D. Patil Sangrudkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Today, we are going to discuss on organometallic compounds. In contents, organometallic contains introduction, types of organometallic compounds, classification of organometallic compounds, nomenclature of organometallic compounds. So let's start. We will start from introduction. In introduction, the organometallic compounds are the organic compounds of metals in which the metal is directly attached to the carbon atom and metal carbon bond is present. ठीक है कसं CMC the carbon metal carbon bond present. These compounds can have ionic or covalent localized or delocalized bonding between one or more carbon atoms of organic groups, or the molecules and transition metals lanthanide, actinides, or main groups of metal atom. In this metal is attached to the organic part such as alkyl group, aryl group, allyl group or vinylic groups are known as organic metallic compounds. Classification of organometallic compounds. The classification of organometallic is based on the nature of atom or groups present. In this classification, it is divided into two parts, that is single organometallic compounds and mixed organometallic compounds. In single organometallic compounds, these organometallic compounds, the metal is attached with the organic part, attached with the organic part as well as the hydrogen are known as simple organometallic compound. So, the example का याचं? The example of simple organometallic compound is RMgX. No. This is the example of mixed organometallic compound. C6H5. एक minute. C6H5 Ni C6H5 असा काहीतरी एक्झाम्पल राहील ते. ठीक आहे. The simple organometallic compound is also divided into two parts: symmetrical simple organometallic compounds and unsymmetrical simple organometallic compounds. The second is the mixed organometallic compounds. In this type of organometallic compound, the metal atom is attached with the organic part as well as other atom or group than hydrogen atom are known as unsymmetrical organometallic compounds. See, the organometallic compounds is divided into two parts: simple organometallic compound and mixed organometallic compound. The mixed organometallic compounds example is CH3MgCl, RMgX. The simple organometallic compound is divided into two parts: the symmetrical organometallic compound, unsymmetrical organometallic compound. The example of symmetrical organometallic compound is C2H5 by 4Hb and unsymmetrical simple organometallic compounds example is C2H5 ZnCl3. Next slide is the classification based on the nature of bonding. On the basis of nature of bonding, it is divided into two parts: sigma bonded organometallic compound and pi bonded organometallic compounds. In sigma bonded organometallic compounds, in such type of organometallic compounds, the sigma covalent bonding between the metal atom and the carbon atom of organic part occurs. This type of organometallic compounds is formed by the p block elements because the electronegativity difference between the carbon atom and the organic part of the part, and the p block elements is very small. The example of sigma bonded organometallic compound is methyl magnesium bromide, Zn(C2H5)4 tetraethyl zinc. Pi bonded organometallic compounds. In such type of organometallic compound, the normal sigma bond as well as pi bonding occurs between the bond between metal and carbon atom. The pi bonded organometallic compound, it forms multiple bonding between metal and carbon atom. This is called as multiple bonded compounds. Example is diameric cobalt carbonyl. हा कोबाल्ट, दोन कोबाल्ट, डायमेरिक म्हणजे दोन कोबाल्ट आणि त्याला CO6 C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple. COC8 इथे फॉर्म्युला चुकलेला आहे. COC8 diameric cobalt carbonyl is the example of pi bonded organometallic compound or multiple bonded organometallic compound. The difference between the organometallic compounds and the other organic compounds. आता याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स काय आहे? तर कार्बन मेटल बॉन्ड, कार्बन इज डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू द मेटल. म्हणजे आता हे एक्झाम्पल पहा, PbC2H5/4. PB ला 4 C2H5 लागलेले आहे. PB is directly attached to the carbon atom. हा कार्बन ॲटम, हा कार्बन ॲटम, हा आणि इथला चारही कार्बन हे कशाला जॉईन झालेला आहे? डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू द मेटल म्हणजे PB. आणि आता हे एक्झाम्पल पहा, लीड ऍसिटेट CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O PB O C double bond O CH3. PB is not directly attached to the metal. It is in this case the PB, the metal atom, is attached to the oxygen, then carbon. So this is not an organometallic compound. In second example, the examples of organometallic compounds. So trimethyl boron and trimethyl, 3 वेळा मिथिल आहे म्हणजे ट्रायमिथिल बोरॉन. टेट्राइथिल ऍसिटेट, हे वर जे झालं तेच. मिथिल मॅग्नेशियम ब्रोमाइड CH3MgBr. मर्क्युरी डायसायक्लिक पेंटॅडाईन. थँक्यू.